One thing homeowners need to understand is that the solar industry today is very different from what it was 20 years ago. Back then, most people entering the industry were technically focused. Many came from electrical backgrounds, engineering, construction, or specialized renewable energy training. Today, a large part of the industry has become heavily sales driven and or politically driven. And that shift has created some serious problems. Now, to be clear, there are still many good companies and ethical people in solar, but there are also situations where marketing or political alignment have started overpowering education. Homeowners hear phrases like free solar, no electric bill, guaranteed savings, your system will pay for itself. And while part of these statements may contain some truth, under certain circumstances, the full reality is usually much more complicated. For example, financing. A lot of homeowners don't fully realize how solar financing actually works. They may focus only on the monthly payment without understanding the interest costs, the additional dealer fees, escalator clauses, long-term contract terms, or how projected savings are even being calculated. And then there's battery backup. This is another area where expectations and reality sometimes become very different things. Some homeowners believe that adding a battery system means their entire home will function normally during extended outages. But depending on the system design, battery capacity, usage habits, heavy loads, including air conditioning, and weather conditions, may or may not be realistic. That doesn't mean batteries are bad. In many situations, they're excellent. But homeowners deserve to understand both the strengths and the limitations before spending serious money. And this is where experience really matters. Real experience is not just knowing how a system works when everything goes perfectly on paper. It's understanding what happens years later. It's understanding roof conditions, utility changes, maintenance issues, weather exposure, insurance complications, system failures, and how equipment performs over time in the real world. Because eventually, every system will tell the truth, not in the sales presentation, but in actual long-term performance. And that's why I believe homeowners should slow down, ask more questions, and spend less time listening to hype and more time understanding how these systems truly work.